In content search here, you can see that you can find a lot of options to find free content. We already saw Facebook Discover and Facebook Page Insight. And if you have a Facebook Discover here, for example, you're going to select here an ID and I'm going to click on search. And if this is a Facebook page, you will get the results. And you can see here you get all the posts. And I explained to you before, you can view or can post this one. Okay, so you can post in your Facebook page. This is free content that you can use to improve the quality of the content on your page, and the people will come back to your page and see other offers. The same is with the Discover. If you click on Facebook Discover, you select here one of the Facebook fan page ID, you click on search. On Discover you get this, but the same is for Insight. So if you click on Facebook Insight and you're gonna select Facebook page ID, you know where your potential customers are. Like for example, for this you see Guatemala, then you see United States, Mexico, and so on. So this is a great distribution for the group ID or Facebook fan page ID that I showed you before. Okay, I will show you that you can find also great free content, tweets related to your niche, or BuzzFeed news or YouTube information. I will show you this in the next videos.